YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy NateJustDope, back in another video, and JD Nation was down with it, man. Hey, look, bruh, y'all see by the title, we are 1 month in with my lock journey. You know what I'm saying? It's been an amazing journey so far. You know what I'm saying? We just starting out. You know what I'm saying? Not really much difference has been taking place and nothing like that, but I am enjoying it, and I have been noticing a few things. You know what I'm saying? So as y'all see, I got my bonnet on right now. I'm gonna go ahead and it's like early in the morning. It's 10:30 a.m. in the morning. So your boy not really just waking up, but I'm getting ready for my day. You know what I'm saying? So I decided to go ahead and do this video right now while I'm waking up and give y'all the raw and uncut. You feel me? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take my bonnet off. You feel me? Here we go. Here we go. This is what we looking like. You know what I'm saying? They a little like matted in the back because yeah, I put them like that when I sleep. So but yeah, bro, here we go. They are still in the two-strand twist right now. Let me see if we can focus. There we go. Yeah, still in the two-strand twist. I'm gonna do another video of taking the two-strand twist down because, as y'all know, like I said in the first video, that she did comb coils, but then she two-strand twisted them together. So yeah, I'm gonna do like a twist out video for my starter locks after this video, or probably after the next video, because I want to do a wash day video. Just washing my hair first, and then giving it a day to really like dry and stuff like that, and then I'm gonna do the twist out. So yeah, bro. But yeah, man, here we go. Here we go, bro. This is what we looking like. You feel me? Show y'all the back. Hopefully y'all can see the back. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, me. Hopefully all of this is in frame. Let me see. There we go. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir, bro. Hey, look, bro. This journey has been going good so far. This 1 month has really been showing me a little bit of like differences with like if I were to, you know, do regular two-strand twist versus the little comb coils with the two-strand twist. I've been noticing a little like new growth too. If y'all can see that. It's probably a little dark. Hold on, let me turn on my light. There we go. Oh yeah, this is way better. Alright, yeah, so y'all can see the new growth. Yeah, this is way better. I should have turned the light on in the first place. But yeah, bro, y'all see the new growth a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, y'all can see it good right here though. You feel me? But yeah, bro. Let me do one more little like turn towards the back so y'all can see with the light on. Yeah. Yeah, bro. But yeah, man. So far it's been going good. I've been doing my regular, like I did in my get ready with me starter lock video. I've been doing that pretty much like every other day. Like I'll do, like let's say if it's Sunday, I'll skip Monday and do Tuesday, and then skip Wednesday and do Thursday. So I've been doing it like that for the past month, really. This past week, I really just been like doing the mist because I'm gonna wash my hair either tonight or tomorrow. So yeah, I ain't really want to put oil in my hair or nothing like that. Yeah, bro, that's really what's been going on though, man. I've been loving it, man. I've been loving it. I haven't been wearing hats. I haven't been wearing hats. If I have been wearing hats, it's probably because it was raining. That was it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I haven't really been wearing any hats. I just been letting my hair breathe. Like I've been wearing hats for the past like consistently, like dang near every day since like 2019. I ain't gonna lie to you, like especially like 2019, 2020, we was stuck in the house, and then 2021 kind of getting back outside. So I really just been rocking hats like dang near every day. So I'm just really giving my hair a chance to breathe now instead of just wearing hats all the time. So yeah, I haven't been wearing hats. You feel me? All right, come on, this focus is killing me. All right, but bro, work with me. But yeah, man, this is gonna be raw and uncut too. I ain't cutting nothing out, bro. But yeah, bro. That's what's been going on though, man. Nothing really too spectacular, you know what I'm saying? So I guess what I'm gonna do now is I am going to mist my hair, give it a little bit of moisture for the day, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, bro, that's gonna end the video, man. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is just take my mist. I got this from what's the name of the beauty supply store? It was like a huge beauty supply store. But this is called Lock Booster Lock Refreshing Spray with natural peppermint oil. So I think this has been working good. It smells good. So if y'all don't have this, this is something that I would recommend. You feel me? It's been relieving my hair shiny and moisturized and all that good stuff, even without adding oil this last week. So yeah, bro. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, yeah, bro, just it feels good too, bro. Not gonna lie to you, it feels amazing. Yeah, bro. Then I do a little slight little pull. You know what I'm saying? Because like I did say, they did get a little matted up, so I wanna, you know, get them at least to their natural looking length. At least, you feel me? And boom, there we go. Just let it bounce back up and there we go, man. Ooh, that feels good. But yeah, bro, got to get a taper. You know what I'm saying? Got to get lined up, but hey, that comes with it. I'm not really gonna get another cut until like my 2-month block update. So just thugging it out for this these first 2 months. You feel me? But yeah, bro, I just been enjoying the process, man. I'm really curious to see how they're gonna look without the 2 strands. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see that? I'm really curious to see how they're gonna look without the 2 strands. So, like I said, I'll do that in another video, probably like 2 videos from now. But the next video probably gonna be, or will be, the I guess like the wash day routine video, I guess. I'm gonna show y'all the shampoo that I got and the conditioner that I got in that video, so y'all will see all that in the next video, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, man. I don't want to hold y'all too long. Like I said, I just been enjoying the journey. You know what I'm saying? It's the first month, ain't really too much changes right now. I know that's all gonna come like in the next couple of, you know, journeys and stuff like that in the next few months. But for right now, just been enjoying the ride, man. Just enjoying the ride. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. So if you're new, you like what you see, go down and hit the subscribe button. Then once you do that, hit the bell so y'all can be notified when I drop new videos, because they will drop randomly, like I always say. Good Vibes Only 454, my clothing brand. Go ahead and check it out at gvo454.com, and also the IG Good Vibes Only 454 for more info and updates and stuff like that, man. Subscribe to my other 2 YouTube channels, Life with Nate and Nate's Closet, so y'all can be caught up with all the content that I post on YouTube. You feel me? Yeah, bro. Give y'all one more little look. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Get my thumbnail too, so that's another reason why I'm doing this. Yeah, man. Y'all see, it's definitely fuzzy at the roots, fuzzy in the locks too, man. They definitely fuzzy for sure, or frizzy. I don't know why I said fuzzy, but yeah, they frizzy for sure. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro. That's pretty much it. Oh yeah, that's another thing too. My hair been getting in my face a lot too. I've been having to do this a lot too, man. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it, man. So now, with that being said, it's your boy NateJustDope signing out. Deuces. I'm off this one. I couldn't get a bill paid. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things. I don't think I want to use things.